Hi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Emily. In this video we're gonna take a closer look at one really fun die cutting card. That is a pinwheel card, and I'm sorry about my phone. I think this is a super fun card, and I have never done something like this in the past. So here you could see how it works, and I will share with you how I assembled everything, and I will just share two projects here. This first one was just a test one for me, so I know exactly how to line everything up and what works best. So you can see I took the middle piece here. That is the mechanism that makes this card move the way it should. It's just a square, and then you put adhesive to one of the sides of the square and line it up with the edge there, so you can see it's super easy. It doesn't take a lot of time to learn how to do this, and if you've done one, I promise you can mix this up and use this die set in so many ways. So I'm just lining it up with the bottom one there, and then I'm doing the next one, and then I'm doing the next one again, and then we're soon here finished with our whole turn of our project. So in this set there is also like a piece that you can put to decorate, and I will do that for all of my sides here. So you can see I'm putting a lighter one on top of it, and on the other side I will use the other decorational piece here. I'm just making sure that everything is aligned and that I have the next color here. I really like that it's scalloped. I think that makes for a really fun and beautiful finish. So I will in a minute here speed all of this up so you don't have to see me do this in slow motion. So here you can see I'm just gonna go around making this look really beautiful. As I said, this was my test one, so this was the first time I did this pinwheel card, but it was no trouble at all putting this together. It went together super fast, and when I did this I was thinking, what will I do for my project here, and how can I put a finished touch on it that I like? And I decided my daughter is turning 5 years on Thursday. So I wanted to create a birthday card for her that was quite special, because, you know, as a card maker I created a lot of cards, but for her this is a special day, like turning 5 and everything. I wanted her to have a really magical birthday card. So I actually hide this card. She haven't seen it yet. By the way, the little hand there helping me, that is William, her little brother. So he was with me when I created this, or actually he was here for like a second when I put the base together, and then he went to sleep. So most of the times when I'm creating cards he is asleep, and she is also asleep, because they always want to help, and sometimes their help isn't helpful, if that makes sense. And I also think that when they are awake, probably should spend the time with them, because it's quite precious this time that I have with them. So I try to do my crafting at the main time. If I'm not on a break, as you know I'm a teacher, so if I'm not on a break I try to do the crafting after they went to bed. But if they are on a break, then we have a lot of time, and some time we can spend in this room, because they really like my crafting room. Of course, it's quite exciting room to be in. So enough about that. I'm sorry I'm rambling on here. I took some old pattern paper that I had in my stash. You can see these will coordinate nicely because they are from the same collection. I'm sorry I don't remember exactly which collection this is, but you can use whatever bright fun paper you have. I'm pretty sure this won't be possible to get anymore because it's really old, but it's a 6x6 paper, and I like the scale of the 6x6 papers when I'm making cards a lot more than the 12x12s, because I think the patterns are a little bit too big, So I like to use the smaller patterns when I'm creating cards. And oh, look at this, it's the unicorns. We actually this weekend had a party for my daughter's friends and her, and it was unicorn themed, of course, because she's 5 and she loves all pretty things. And then we will decorate the inside of this. So I took this little reindeer, and this is from the Money Roll and Lip Balm box from Laurie Wicklock. You can see a little picture inserted up there from the die set from iCrafter. I wanted to use something fun to embellish all of my slides here. This die set also comes with a lot of things that you can decorate it, and I will use a lot of it in this video. But I just took what I had in my stash just to embellish it a little bit more. And by the way, the little banner up there is also from the double carrier die set from iCrafter. And here, this piece, the happy birthday, this is from this set, as well as the cupcake. So I tried to use a mix of things, and I will also use some hearts. It's also from an iCrafter die set. Of course, I forgot which one it is, but I will have everything linked down below if you like to check out all the decorations that I had for my project. But this one I know is from this set. It's super cute, and it comes with this little tray, and I adhered it with some liquid glue just because it's easy. It also comes with a lot of sprinkles, but I thought I wouldn't go that way. It's super fun, but it was quite tiny, and I didn't feel like spending a lot of time putting it all there. But you could make it easy and maybe just put glue and then all the sprinkle inside. But if you would make a shaker card, that would be really fun, because then you don't have to fuss with all the things and making it like stay put. And this is my daughter when I think she was 2 or 3 months old here. It was in the summer. So I just wanted to insert a little picture of her because, you know, as a mommy, you always think your kid is the cutest one. And since this was for her, I think it was quite fun to have something special inside that is just for her. And I think this little reindeer, is really, really cute on that page. And here's the hearts I was talking about. I will pop these on a couple of pages just because they are cute. And for this side I will pop the happy birthday. And this, by the way, is always my best part of making cards, is having all of these pieces made and then just pop them onto the page and see how everything comes together. I just love it. I think it's super fun. So here's all of the banners that I talked about earlier. Then this one is from the double carrier. Super fun. And you will see I cut a lot of them out, and I will actually cut a couple of more because I really wanted to fill this page. And what's fun about this is that you can just snip away the pieces that you don't like or that you think are too big to make it fit any project. You can also extend it if you like it to be longer when you have banners like this. And for this page I will put my little cake. I will actually go in and pop another cake in there. And here is a picture of the double carrier, and from this one I also got a little balloon, and I cut it out of vellum a couple of times, and then I will heat emboss it with some sparkly embossing powder. And I'm sorry, I will just use my flat tweezers to hold this when I am doing my heat embossing so I don't burn my fingers. And then I will pop these on top of my unicorn page here, and that finished that one off as well. I am super excited for her to get this. Actually, when you see this video, her birthday has already been. It was yesterday, it was Thursday, and I'm recording this in the beginning of the week. and I hope she liked it. I am excited, and hopefully maybe I can put a little clip on Instagram how she reacted when she got the card. I think that would be fun to see. So here is a close-up of our project that we created today. I hope you enjoyed this video and got inspired to create a pinwheel card. I know that I will be making a lot of these. It was super fun to make, and if you like to decorate, this is really a project for you. I will leave you with some close-up pictures, and as always there is a coordinating blog post over at iCrafter's website if you like to see these pictures in the close-up, and all the projects will be listed down below. Until next time, have a great day. Bye!